Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So I'm just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new model for Swift for 2022, that being the Swift Basecamp 6. So in addition to the Basecamp family range and a 6-berth single axle Basecamp caravan. So we're really excited to have this here on site now for you to come and view, come and have a look at and come and enjoy as much as we are. So here's a good look at the front of that caravan. So the usual Swift big front window that you see there, looking a huge amount of light into the caravan, giving a great feeling of space. In the front of the caravan here, on the left hand side, you've got the spare wheel. Right hand side, you've got space for 2 6kg gas bottles, electric hookup cable, your step and light items, just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. Another new addition for Basecamp for 2022 is the introduction of the stabilizer handle that you see here. So previously for Basecamps, it just had this small handle that you see here, which was just simply a trailer hitch. So a real additional feature, creating a far safer and securer tow. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got this exterior barbecue point located here. And as we come down the rear of the caravan, you've got a 240 volt socket located at the rear. Coming around the side of the Basecamp 6, you've got your electric hookup point here. You have got your toilet cassette located here because it's a central bathroom, your exterior shower inlet and also your onboard water inlet to draw that water from your aqua roll. So quite excited to step inside this one, as we've not seen a Basecamp 6 yet. So let's have a little look. One of the great features of the Basecamp 6 to show you here is you've got the ability to have 2 side dinette areas, but also both side dinettes convert up into bunks. So to show you what the bunks look like on the right hand side here, and also showing what the side dinette makeup looks like on the left hand side here. As with Basecamps, you've got these unique clip out baskets, so you can take those inside, fill those up with your amenities and then come and clip them back into your Basecamp. So you've got 3 on this side and you've also got 3 located on this side, so ample amount of storage. Your main control centre for the caravan located here, doing your hot water and also your lighting and power throughout the caravan. Central kitchen area, so a really generous sized central kitchen in this 6-berth family caravan. You've got your oven with 3 gas hob burners and pan storage located underneath, with 3 nice sized cupboards above and also a generous sized under counter fridge. On the right hand side here, we've got your wardrobe, so some of your infill cushions located currently in here, your mat, your Vision Plus aerial, your spare ladders, your step and also your freestanding table. So plenty of space in here to tuck away bits and bobs you might not be using all the time. Central bathroom area, so similar to all Basecamps, you've got this combination shower and washroom area. So generous sized sink with your toilet located there and your shower tray located at the bottom, and also the shower itself there with some storage at the back and a nice size hecky light, just giving a good feeling of light and space inside that shower area. As we come down the front, you've got these nice generous sized couch area here. So you have your short pull-out table here for popping a cup of coffee, cup of tea or some juice on. And then in that cupboard I showed you earlier, you've got your freestanding table. One of the other key features for the Basecamp range that you see under here are these fixing points. So you can lift and clip up these couches into this clip up area here to be able to travel with your bikes inside the caravan, because there's no option to clip them on the back in this particular range, but space on both sides to be able to do that. Your other control centre located at the front here is for your whale heating system and also for your hot water. Television points in this particular model located here, so you can pop a TV on the side here, which should enable you to view from the rear of the caravan or of the front. Little tuck away cubby hole there for you if you require it or need it. And also throughout you've got full blinds and full fly screens on every single window throughout the caravan. So we're really excited to have this on site for viewing now. So if this is of interest to you, please come and see us at Grantham Caravans, because we do now have the Basecamp 6 here for viewing. I hope you've enjoyed the short walk around tour on this particular caravan. It really doesn't do it justice on a video. You've got to come and see this in the flesh. So if you've got any queries or questions, please contact our friendly sales team, 01476 560 599. It's option 1 for our sales office. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and we look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thank you. Bye bye now.